Guapa. And your boss, you're guapa. That's really good.
Ano ba tawag dito? Ate, tulungan mo ako. Pabayral ako dito.
You know, I'm a Negro. I need this so that I can look like you. The boss is laughing. I said, I need the powder that I can look like her. She's laughing. I'm about to surprise people here. How much is your capital? So, what should I do? I just want to show a little bit of kindness. I even don't know how I got all those changes there. So, I'm trying to get rid of them. So that's my backpack can be a little bit.
147, sir. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
I'm here in this small Santo Domingo. It's a city or a municipality? Oh, okay. I think it doesn't understand. They say, I think it's a municipality. And the guy was telling me that there are 50,000 people around. And in the Philippines, 50,000 is like a very, very small. But anyway, that's where I am. And I was trying to go around to the market. And I started with the food here. The food place looks beautiful, but everything has a pork in it. So I'm gonna go in the market here and chat with people. You know I like chatting with people. So how much they pay you?
300 pesos po.
300?
Yes.
You work how many days?
Every day,
A week?
sir. Every day, sir. Yesterday, my day off. It's my day off.
So you work like
Every day.
6 days?
Yes, sir. And every Wednesday, it
Off.
depends. If many,
Many customers?
Yes, sir.
It's 300.
Yes, sir. 300 pesos per day.
You have children?
Yes, sir.
How many?
2.
2. And your husband do what? What does he work?
At the LGU, Santo Domingo, sir. The municipal. He worked there.
Oh,
There's, there.
he does what there? What does he do there?
We have here, ano ba tawag dito? Ate, tulungan mo ako. Pabayral ako dito. Hello.
No, say that in a Bicol.
Okay.
What does your husband do?
You can translate it, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. Say in a Bicol.
May ano po kami dito, Santo Domingo Community College.
Security?
Yes, sir.
Oh, he's a security?
Yes, sir.
How do you say security in a Bicol?
It's security. It's same. Guard or guardia. It's guardia.
Guardia.
Oh, guardia.
How much they pay him?
They pay him 300.
So you got a 600 a day.
Yes, sir.
And you rent?
No, we live at the resettlement at San Andres resettlement site.
It's for free?
Ano siya, DSWD. I applied the house.
Government.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Government housing government.
Oh, I see. You're happy?
I'm so happy, sir.
You wanna open your things one day?
Ano po? What?
You wanna have like this? You one day?
Someday. So I will work every day. So, ano tawag na natin sa English?
You speak good English.
Try until you succeed. So, sipag lang. Sipag at syaga. Let's go ahead. Papapariya ka ako, ate.
Okay.
It's a bit early, like 1 year, no?
Yeah. Okay, let's see what they have in this market here. This is my favorite things here. Money. Money? Po. Money or money? Money. I think I'm gonna buy some of this. And this is the Philly nuts. This is so delicious. I have some with me. Philly nut. But they have Dunkin' Donuts. Look. Dunkin' Donuts. Sorry. Po. Let me buy from these guys. I think those are the one they call it kwekwe.
Yeah.
How is it? Kwe?
It's a quail.
Right. Oh. How much is this?
15 pesos.
15? And this?
5 pieces for 20 pesos.
5 pieces. Can I get 3? 4? How much?
5 pieces, 20 pesos. Take a piece.
Give me change first. And that one there, how much?
This one. 5 pesos.
Yeah, and I get also 4. I want my change first of all. So student come here, give. Exit like that, look. Oh my goodness. Got it all there. Oh, how you go market? Yeah, student. Yeah, good. Good. Yeah. You want to make people happy? Start with the students. Go. Where is stairs go? There, market.
Market.
Ludo. Good.
Delicious.
Delicious? That's really good. You like? Oh, you work a milk company? Milk? No. No? I think it's just a small market. It's not like a big market. But for 50,000, it's enough. Huh. Yeah, you buying sugar
Yes.
to tea?
Coffee.
To do what? Like a lugaw for lugaw?
Logo. Logo.
Yeah. No.
I'm adobo.
Adobo?
Yes.
Don't put sugar in adobo. You put sugar in adobo?
No. Coffee.
Oh, coffee. Ah, that's really good. Wow.
You want sabaw?
No. Oh, that's the fish market there. And they have some dry fish. And all these from the Philippines. Let's see. I think this is a milk fish, right? Milk fish.
Squid.
Yeah, that's squid. Is this swordfish?
Balamban.
It's hard.
No.
That's squid there. You are from Santo Domingo? Good people?
Very good.
Tattoo. You do tattoo Santo Domingo or Legazpi?
Santo Domingo. And my friend.
Your friend? Oh, has a tattoo shop? Huh. Ah, that's really cool. I'm gonna go pass by here. I saw plenty of place I'm gonna go. This guy is. I'm gonna have to go. Oh, pepino. Yeah, pepino and calamansi.
Tuloy dyan, nyog. Turong nyog. Bili ka ng nyog.
Hello po.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
I don't know what type of vegetables is this. This I've never seen this before. And this one look purple. Interesting. Hello, po. Look for someone. Hello, po. Hi. Hello, po. So the market is not that. It's just start there and a tent here, and then this beautiful guys here, tricycle, and there's a drugstore there. Siama. The fruits. Chris is hiding here. Green coffee. Let's go here. He's the boss?
Yes.
Oh, boss. How you doing, boss? Sir, how do you call this little?
Lanzones. This banana.
No, this. Lanzones. Believe or not, probably this is not grown in the Philippines. Probably from China. Probably. And they have eggs there. I've never understood about these eggs here. Purple. Donut?
We call that biniribit.
Oh. But you sold a lot
In the morning.
in the morning. Is that what you do for living?
Kami vlogger.
How much is one?
This one, 10 pesos, and this, 5 pesos.
And I'm sorry to ask you, how much is your capital? Your capital?
I'm here for solding days and tattoo.
You get it somewhere
Yeah.
and you sell? How much is your capital?
No, they give me 300 pesos per day.
Per day?
Yeah.
300 pesos. They pay you? Someone? Ah, it's not yours. Oh. They rent here with the government?
Yes.
How much?
10 pesos per day.
10? So 10 pesos per day. Ah. So you have a family?
Yes.
How many kids? One. And your husband does what?
Construction worker.
Oh, construction work. Oh, I know that very well. Very hard work. So he got like a 300 too? 300 a day?
Yeah.
How old is your child?
9 years old.
9 years old. So if I buy all this, I give 1,000, you have change? You have change? Yes? You have change of 1,000?
Yeah, I have.
And if I buy all those, you have change? Okay. Let me tell you one thing here, very quick. You see this lady here? She's working for someone. She's getting the 300 peso. Her husband is in construction. When a Filipino tells you that her husband is a construction worker, so that's like low job. It means that they survive every day. They do something just for living or to get something. So I thought she's selling for herself, but I just learned that she's selling for someone. So what should I do? I just want to show a little bit of kindness to her, to support her, probably to give her something. How is life? You thinking one day to have your own? You thinking one day to have your own business? You.
Before, I make like this too.
Then what happened?
After the pandemic,
The capital.
I don't make anymore.
Oh, because of the capital. Oh. So during the pandemic, you lost everything. Oh. Sorry to hear you lost your business, but one day, yeah,
Let's go on.
yeah, one day you will get it. Is that okay? I can share this on YouTube because it's taking you. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. My name is Costa. Oh yeah, you saw me on Facebook already. Yeah, I'm from Texas. Stay blessed. I hope one day you will do your own business. Bye. Doesn't want to go in the market. Look at that. That's so funny. You want to go in the market? Doesn't want? So cute. 70?
Yeah.
Like a barber shop? You?
No, my barber's there. I called it first.
Yeah. I just want to surprise them. I don't know. I'm gonna tell them that I need. You are the barber?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Hurry.
I'm gonna show you. I will show you what I need to get. I will show you. Yeah, just put and then I will show you. Your husband?
No.
Your worker?
Cousin.
Oh, cousin. Oh. That's too tight.
Oh, my good guy.
Too tight. Okay. Yeah, that's really cool. So yeah. So this here, yeah, this. Can you take out this? Yeah. Come here, camera. I wanna show you. Yeah, here. Yeah, that one. There. Can you hear too? Yeah, that one are really good. Let me see. Yes, that's really good. Perfect. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah, just want to surprise you. Wow, that's really amazing. Wow, look. Very good barber. Yeah.
That's enough.
100.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
That's enough.
Wow, yeah, you're the best. Can you get to the thing? No, the
Brush.
brush.
Grass.
And yeah.
Powder.
Oh yeah, that one there. Yes. Yes. You know I'm a Negro. I need this so that I can look like you. She's laughing. She like that. Look, the boss is laughing. I said I need the powder so I can look like her. She's laughing. Yeah. That's right. You see? I look like you. Yeah. And anyway, I'm here in Santo Domingo. Very good people. I went in the market and it's just good people. I enjoy the time.
Picture us.
And because you are good people. Yeah. You are really good people.
Is that recorded?
Yeah. And like you are guapa. Guapa. And your boss, you are guapa. That's really good.
My name is Nani and that Arnold.
Arnold the Nani. Okay. Nani Arnold. Okay. Good.
Leonard Barbershop.
Oh, Reynald Barbershop.
Leonard.
This is perfect. Beautiful. You are number one. You're number one.
Ano ba? Good boy. Thanks, bro.
Smile. Hey, come. Take my camera. You. No shaking. Hey, no shaking. No. Tell him no shaking.
Hoy, wag ka daw mag-ano. Wag mo daw i-shake. Wag mo igalaw pa.
Yeah, good.
Go team! Go team!
Ayan, Devon, di ka Ano? He didn't even...
You wanna me here? Yeah, feel free to do that.
Embarcadero, near Victory Village.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it there? Victory Village is there?
Yes.
Oh. The white
Building
thing, the white building there. Oh.
See that hill?
Yeah.
That's the one in Embarcadero, the sleeping lion.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. Oh. Wow.
It's nice to swim here during weekends.
You come swimming here?
Yeah.
No shark?
No.
That's beautiful.
It's up to her.
I like that word in the Philippines. It's up to you.
Yeah, really.
That word is very popular in the Philippines. It's up to you. It's up to you, sir. But
You have a choice, but
Mike, he trusts you. Let's say she trusts you, and she say, the only person in my life I can ask for advice is my brother Mike.
Mm-hmm.
And will you tell her Mary is 60 years old and she's 20 years old?
Well, maybe I have some hesitations.
Yeah, you will have some.
I will hesitate. Oh, yeah, go for it. But it still depends on her. I know some some friends who actually go through that situation. But if there's love, there's no problem. But if it would make you miserable, then
So you see a 65 years old or 60 years old who marry 22 Filipino, and you know well that in Australia a 65 years old will not marry at 22. Okay, I asked a lady today. She didn't want to be. She was very shy. She said the reason why they marry, it's first of all, it's security.
yeah, that's true.
And she told me that many Filipinos, we don't want to discuss more about that because it's true. Nowadays people don't want to say the truth. You think it's security too?
Part of it, yes, yeah.
Part of it, yes.
Well, it's the first thing that comes to people's mind, that it's for security, but it's actually more than that, because imagine, it's their life and they're gonna commit their life to that situation, and they call it security, and they're not even sure if they are secured. Okay.
Yeah, they're not even
sure.
Secured, yeah.
If they're really secured, marrying a wealthy, let's say there's a big age gap or a big age difference.
And most people who come to marry here, if you learn more, they depend on social security.
Yeah.
And social security, it's not really enough. It'd be enough for someone here who doesn't get anything. The boss is laughing. I said, I need the powder that I can look like her. She's laughing.